The aim of this video is just to show you a quick look into the Canva dashboard and give you an idea of what you find when you come to Canva. So when you go to canva.com, you will get an opportunity to sign up and create an account. It's a very simple sign up process. It's not difficult at all, and you don't have to add any card or credit card details because it's a free account. So when you log in, you will get this. This is the main dashboard of Canva, and from here you can create any of your designs. So you can either, along the top here, you've got home, which is this page, and then you've got a template section. So if you click or hover over that, it then brings up the main parts of all of the templates. So social media is probably a great one to start with, and then you can click see all here, and it will bring up all of the social media templates for you, and you can browse them by categories along the top, or you can go down and start looking at the different templates for the different channels. As you can see, they are different sizes because they're sized to the right platform. You've also got flyers and presentations, YouTube thumbnails. These are all under social media. We go back to home. So here you've got your templates. Here you've got discover, so you can find all the other features that Canva do. So there's lots and lots of photos that you can get for free. As you see, there's a free photo tab here. You can click on that and it brings up all the photos. There's different icons, which is fantastic, especially for your website. You can even have products printed. They have a list of apps that they're associated with that you can use and connect to your Canva account, and then just some other photo editing and graphs and charts, different features that they have. I'd suggest having a look through and just seeing what you can, seeing what looks of interest to you. Also along the top we have the Learn section, so there are a lot of different courses and tutorials for you done by Canva themselves. Down the left hand side you have recommended for you, which is your main dashboard page. You have all your designs, your brand kit, where you can create a team, your folders, and you can even share folders with someone, say a web designer or someone who's doing some social media work for you. You can share a folder with them so they can edit your designs within your account. I have got quite a few different folders here because I have the Pro account. With the free account you can create 2 folders that you can add your designs into. You've also got your brand kit here. With the Pro account you get the option to add different logos, multiple colours, and your fonts and headers, and you can even upload your own font, which you can find a file for on Google. With the free account you can add in your brand colours. So when you go to do a template, so let's look at a Facebook post, just a simple Facebook design. If it loads, it gives you the option here to pick a template. Now all of these templates are completely customizable. The colours, the photos, the elements, everything within them you can change, but they give you a basis to start your design. Or you can create a blank one from scratch. So if you have an idea of exactly what you want, create a blank one, you know it's going to be unique. If I click on one of the templates, it will just show you what happens when you want to edit something. Now this one it's a set, so it has multiple different templates that are all done with the same colours and the same fonts and the same graphics. So you can use these to create a set of your own social media that have all got the same theme, but we're just going to use just the basic template for now and just bring it up so you can see the edit screen. There we go. So this is what you get when you edit a template. This is where you edit. As you can see, the little blue box appears because when you click it, that's the section that you start editing. And down here you have all of your elements. So you have photos, recently used and trending, and then you can just add in the search bar for anything that you're looking for. Flower, for example, and it will bring up all the flower photos. And when you hover over, you can see a little crown and the word Pro. That means they are available for the Pro account. Or you see the word free, that means you can use it for free within the free account. There are a lot of free images and there are an even more amount of Pro images, but you can still purchase a Pro image if you want to. They're usually about $1. In the next section we have all of the elements. This is the best section, I really love. You can search for anything in here. This is patterns, grids, lines, icons, anything that's not an image will be in this section here. So you see you've got some grids here, you've got shapes, different frames. The ones that have got a little cloud and a green hill means you can use this grid or use this shape and add an image or a colour into this shape when you add it to your design. It's animated stickers, different charts, gradients, lines. You will have a lot of this within the free account as well. So it's a really interesting, fun thing to do, going through looking at all of the elements. Then you have text, where you can add your heading text, your subheader and your body text, but they also give you the option of choosing text combinations for free. So you can choose this, it will add it to your design, and then you can just edit the text. And it gives you a nice header text and a body text that are complementary to each other. You've got music, and some of the music again is free, so you can listen to the music when you add it to your design, and you can download it as a video and you'll have your music in the background of your design. This is a relatively new feature, and there's also videos, so you can add short video clips into your design. Again, a lot of these are free. They're only a few seconds long, but if you just want something in one of the frames in a little corner that moves as animated, they're brilliant for that. You've even got a background tab. Again, as you can see, all of this is very similar and very familiar with each other. It's the same format for every single option here. And this will bring up landscapes, patterns, gradients, abstract, food. It brings up all different textures that you can use as backgrounds for your designs. And again, a huge amount of them are free. And you even have the upload tab, where you can either drag and drop your item straight into this upload section, or you can click upload an image or video to upload something straight from your computer. And then you have folders, which is just all of the folders that you've got created, but obviously with a free account you're only allowed to have 2. So to add something to a design, it's very simple. We've got this photo here already. You can click on it and you can drag it around. You can drag it to wherever you fancy, move it, but you can also change it. If you go to, say, photos, you're looking for a flower, you can click on the image and it will bring it over, and then you just use these little white dots to resize your image, and you can drag it wherever you want it within your design. Along the top, this bar changes depending on the element you're adding. So as we've got the photo highlighted, it will bring up the effects and everything can crop. You can flip it, you can position it, so you could move it behind these other 2 squares here. You can change the transparency. This is the padlock link, so you can lock it. This will let you add a physical link in, but it's only available on PDFs. You can delete it, and you can duplicate it, so you can do a lot in this bit up here. If you click on one of the others, this is just a colour block, which means you can click the little colour link up here, and you have all the colours. As you can see, my brand colours appear, so your brand colours will appear in this section when you're changing the colour of something. And again, for something like text, it brings up the fonts, the sizes, the colour. You can bold, italic, underline, change the position, bullet points. There's lots you can do with different fonts. If you click on the fonts section, it will come up on the left hand side, and everything that doesn't have anything next to it is free. The little crown means it's a paid font, but there's a huge amount of free fonts that you can use in Canva. This is your font size, and again you can group it so that the coloured background and the text stay together when you move it. You can change the transparency, and you can lock it if you want to just lock one particular element. So I think, and the last thing is when you want to download it, you can, as you can see, you can publish straight to Facebook if you connect your account, or click the little link here and you can click download, and then it gives you an option of different file sizes to download. You've got video, and you can even create GIFs. Now these are in beta mode, so they've only just come out, so they're still being tested, but PNG is the better high quality if you want to use it for social media. So yeah, I think that is everything. If you have any questions, I'm more than happy for you guys to contact me. So that is just a quick rundown of how the Canva desktop works.